Oh look, it's raining. Hang on, I've got washing out.
12 seconds later.
Phew! That's a situation I think we've all faced. When I saw this Zigbee rain sensor online, I couldn't help myself and bought it straight away. Whew, I'm actually out of breath. I'm running to the door. So in this video, we're going to see, can I connect this to my network? Can I use it to detect rain? And then can we get notifications for when it's raining and I've got washing out? Let's go! So first up, let me show you around the device. It's effectively a solar powered water sensor. It's got the solar panel in the middle, and around the edges it has the rain sensor, which makes it this fetching flower, which definitely increases its Wi-Fi approval factor. When water falls on these contacts, it completes the circuit, and so the device knows it's wet. The higher the voltage it detects, meaning there's more water on the sensor, which means there's more rain. But we don't care about how much rain there is, we just want to know if it's raining or if it's not. So let's add this device to our network. Okay, so I just added the device to the network. I pressed and hold, there's a button on the back, pressed and hold it until it went green. It added it, but it added it as a water sensor, not as a rain sensor. So you need to make your own external converter. So here we are in Zigbee to MQTT. I permitted devices to join, pressed the button, but it displayed and connected as just a generic water sensor and didn't know it was a rain sensor. And so to make it appear as a rain sensor, we need to add our own external converter. I found the code online, and I'll link to a GitHub repository with this code in. And you have to upload this, well, you have to create a file in your Zigbee to MQTT directory where your configuration YAML is. You add this file to your rain sensor.js. You then go to Zigbee to MQTT, go to settings, external converters, then, oh, you can't see it. There's an add button here. Type in the name of the file, click adds, click submit, and then click reset will appear up here, and then you have to reset. Once you've done that, delete the device, repair it again, and now we're ready to go. So we've got it connected to our network. I'm just going to give it a better name, friendly name. I think I'm going to call it rain sensor / back. Just because it's going to be in my back garden. I might have one in the front, so I'm just future proofing. And there you go. So now we have the rain sensor connected to Zigbee to MQTT. Let's have a look at what's exposed. So here we see the water leak detection. We're seeing it's clear because there's no rain inside, obviously. Oh, there's a light sensor, so we can see how much light there is. The max for the last 24 hours. We get this clean reminder. I guess that's something to do with the solar panel. This is how the voltage it's reading from the water sensor. So currently 320 MV. And we get battery low. We don't get battery percentage, it's annoying. There we go. So that's what we get. And I'm just going to test it. So I just touched it with my finger. My finger's slightly damp. As you can see, that brought up this milliamps. So I just touch it again. There you go. It's very sensitive and it takes a while to clear, which is good news for us, I think, because once it starts raining, we need to know. It's going to make testing it slightly annoying. So let's get to the code. Okay, so we're starting with this base script, which you can look through many other videos which I've gone through. We connect to the MQTT client, we subscribe to the topic that I set up. Keen-eyed of you will realise that I've now corrected it. Before I had Senor and now I do have Sensor. We have a callback function, which for now we're just going to print the data that we're receiving, and we're going to just loop the function to make it continually run to listen for the messages. Why don't we run that? And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to touch it again with my finger. And there we go. We can see the data that we get. Again, we've got water leak here, which is effectively rain. And it's just a Boolean, true or false. So this is going to be super straightforward. is rain equals data water leak. If is rain, print it's raining. Can't spell. Else prints it's not raining. Okay. So we'll cut to the script, run it. Now I'm going to just touch the sensor again. It's raining. It's raining, it's raining, it's not raining. So that's it, just clearing. I guess that's it, sensing the drop in voltage, sending a message each time, and then eventually clearing to it's not raining. So cool. So we've connected the sensor Zigbee to MQTT, and we coded it so that we now know when it's raining or not. Now we need to know if the washing is out. So how do we get to know if the washing's out? I have a door sensor which we can know whether the contacts are together or apart. Put this on the washing line. When the washing line comes together and up, we know that the washing line's up. And when it's down, we know that they're separated, so we know it's down. All we need to do is to store whether this is up or down, and then we know whether the washing line is up or down. So let's get back to the code. So here we are in Zigbee to MQTT. Here's my washing line sensor. And back to our script. All we need to know here is washing line up equals, and we'll set it as false. Ooh, washing. And now we need to subscribe to this sensor name, washing line. So this is just going to be washing line. We need to get topic, so which is topic message dot topic. Right, what I'm going to do now is look at my door sensor code. So there's a video for this, which hopefully I'll put up here. We can see what I did here. And this is what I used to see if there was letters coming through the door. And it looks like if there's contact between the magnet and the sensor, the washing line is up, and if there's no contact, the washing line is down. So if there's contact, is washing line up equal to true. Oops, we don't need this right now. Else is washing line up equals false. But we don't want to do this. This is going to run every time we get a message, and we only want to do this bit if we have the washing line sensor, and we only want to do this bit if we're using if the message is from the rain sensor. So we have the topic. So here we just need to say up here, if topic is equal to this, then do that, and if colon, if topic to that, bring that in, washing line, and hacky we need to bring this is washing line in, so we're just going to say global is washing line up. Yeah, Pilot will hate it, but there we go. I believe this should work. So clear the screen. So let's just check. Put the sensor together. Nothing. Okay. Oh, because we didn't print anything. Washing line is up. Washing line is down. And again. Washing line is up, apart. Washing line is down. Oh! Washing line is up. Washing line down. Apparently it's not raining, which is good. Okay, so the last piece of the puzzle is if it's raining, and we'll do print raining, and then if washing line is up, print washing is out. Quick! Bring it in. Okay, there we go, big moment. Washing line is up, washing line is down, washing line is up, washing line is down, washing line is up. Right, so I've got to hold this together. I'm just going to run my wet finger over the rain sensor. It's raining, washing line is up, print it in. Cool. Okay, so that's working. And again, use the Viber API to send a message, or you could contact your Google Home to shout to say the washing's out. There's quite a few options. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. I like to see my numbers go up, and see you in the next one.